Can you predict the result of this code? What is the final value stored in argv1? Predict your answer in the comment section. First of all, the conditional codes we are using here are EQ and NE. Very first thing that you should know is which conditional flags will affect these conditional codes, and the answer for that is the Z or the 0 flag. Okay, if the Z flag is set as 1 based on the result of previous operations, then EQ conditional code will be true. If Z is set as 0, then any conditional code will be true. And based on which conditional code is true, argv1 value will be updated. See, arg0 is initially updated with the value of 5. Then we are performing comparison between arg0 whose content is 5 and an immediate value 5. So obviously, since compare internally performs subtraction, we know 5 minus 5 is 0. So this particular instruction actually sets Z flag as 1. If there is no other instruction, then immediately this instruction will be executed and argv1 will be loaded as A. But in this particular case, we can see one more instruction which has a suffix es added to it, which implies that update the CPSR based on the result obtained. And we know that current arg0 value is 5, and add yes, what does it perform? Addition, and the result obtained is actually 6. This is stored in arg0. Now based on this particular result, the CPSR flags will be updated, and since the result generated is not 0, Z is updated as 0. Okay, and because of this, we already know this condition will be false, and hence this instruction will be ignored, and the instruction that actually gets executed is this one. Okay, because of which argv1 is loaded as B. Let me directly run this code and show you the final answer. So answer is B.